Hi. In this lesson, I suggest adding validation for our CSS files. We just added the style.lint script, which checks if we wrote it in the correct style, but it doesn't verify if our style file is valid. Let's imagine we used some non-existent variable. For example, here's not exists. We definitely don't have such a variable anywhere. We save, run pnpm v style.lint, and it won't complain because, style-wise, everything is fine, but it doesn't know that the variable doesn't exist. And in this way, you might hypothetically run some non-working code. This doesn't suit us. To tackle this, we will add a script which we'll call style.check. And it works literally with regular Sass tools that we already installed. What are we doing with this command? We are calling the Sass command to actually build our CSS files. We pass the update flag there, indicating that only files which were not previously built or whose dependencies have changed should be built. In short, we just need this so that it builds these CSS files faster. And why are we building them at all? Because only during the build can we understand if they are working or not. And we ask not to report unnecessary information, so that means quiet, in silence. And we're also telling it to find all CSS files in the src folder and throw them into the notmodules.cache folder. Let's try to run it. pnpm v-style.check, we call it. And there it already finds an error. It says it's an undefined variable. Let's fix it. We'll take it as it was. And we run it again. See, everything worked out. Moreover, it works really quickly because it doesn't recheck what it's already built. Let's see where it actually saves these files. We don't see them, but that's how we want it. And they are where we specified. In the folder, not modules, in the folder cache, in the folder style, check.cache. Enter, not modules, cache, style.check, cache. And here are all our built files. Here are the actual CSS files we got, but we won't use them. Vite handles all the building for us. We do this just to ensure everything is valid. Now we need to add the corresponding command to our pre-commit hook, so no evil can pass during a commit. pnpm v style.check good. So, added here. Well, let's try to commit with an error and see what happens. Does it work? Returned, not exist, gst, gaa, gcommit message, head style, check, so, instance.rc. Well, the commit didn't succeed. Our files aren't committed, which is exactly what we needed. Removing the error, adding all files again, and committing. Well, great. Now we're completely safe. Such non-working code won't get into our repository. Thanks, everyone. Let's move on. Continuation.